Hello everyone, welcome to Lecture 17 of ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Preparation Examination Series. This lecture covers different types of attacks and attack vectors on our computer system. Overview of hackers. Hackers are anyone who disrupt or gain unauthorized access to the CIA triad, that is, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. There are four types of hackers. First one is white hat hackers. White hat hackers are those ethical hackers identifying and fixing vulnerabilities. Black hat hackers. They are malicious hackers exploiting vulnerabilities. They are also known as crackers. Grey hat hackers. Between white and black hat motives lie the grey hat hackers. Script kiddies. They are inexperienced hackers using sophisticated tools. Attackers. There are two types of attackers. One is outsiders and another is insiders. Outsiders. Unauthorized individuals attempting network access. Methods: interception, malware and system intrusion, etc. Mitigation: effective defense in depth strategies. Another form of attackers is insiders. They are authorized individuals causing intentional or unintentional harm. The risks from them is information theft, fraud, system sabotage. Importance of authentication and authorization controls are there to prevent this type of attackers. Hacktivism and government attacks. Hacktivism: motivated by political or social causes, example, free speech advocacy, targets. They target government organizations perceived as adversaries. Government attacks. These are state-sponsored activities targeting financial, governmental, or utility sectors. Notable attacks. For example, US elections by Russia, Stuxnet by US or Israel. Bots and botnet. Bots. These are malware-controlled systems, often a part of botnet. Botnets. CNC networks managed by bot herders. Activities such as spamming, data theft, DDoS attacks. Malware types and antivirus. There are different types of malware. Some of them are viruses, worms, and trojans, including RATs. Antivirus software. These are signature-based or heuristic-based. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS or IPS. IDS. Intrusion detection systems alerts for potential attacks. IPS, intrusion prevention system, they block malicious traffic. Types: first one is network based, another one is host based. Signature based versus heuristic based. IDS or IPS, deployment and functionality. Network based IDS monitors network segments, host based IDS monitors individual systems. Hybrid approaches, combining signature and heuristic analysis. Conclusion: overview types of attackers and their motives, discussed various malware types and intrusion detection and prevention systems. We emphasized the importance of robust cybersecurity strategies. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.